Welcome back to CentLinux, your go-to channel for AWS and DevOps tutorials. Today, we're diving into Amazon SNS, Simple Notification Service. I'll show you step-by-step how to create topics, configure subscriptions, and set up fan-out messaging to supercharge your cloud notifications. Whether you're building alerts for your Kubernetes clusters or scaling apps on AWS, this hands-on guide has you covered. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by creating your first SNS topic. Super simple and powerful for broadcasting messages across AWS.
Time to create an SNS subscription. Select your topic, choose a protocol like email or Lambda. Add the endpoint and hit Create to enable message delivery.
If this AWS SNS tutorial helped you, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our DevOps community on CentLinux. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.